Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common and often frustrating check engine light code. P0455, which stands for Evaporative Emission System Large Leak Detected. If you've seen this pop up on your dashboard, don't panic. It sounds serious, but it's usually not a major engine problem. And often, it's something you can fix yourself. So, what exactly is the EVAP system? Think of it as your car's way of being environmentally friendly. It captures gasoline vapors that would normally escape from your fuel tank and feeds them back into the engine to be burned. It's a sealed system, and when your car's computer detects a large leak somewhere in that system, it triggers the P0455 code. Now, let's talk about symptoms. Honestly, you might not notice anything wrong with how your car drives. The most obvious sign is that pesky check engine light. You might also notice a slight smell of gasoline around your car, especially after you've just filled up the tank. In some cases, you might see a small drop in your fuel economy. But it's usually not significant enough to be the first thing you notice. The main issue here isn't a performance problem, but an emissions problem. Your car is releasing unburned fuel vapors into the atmosphere, which is why it's important to get it fixed, especially if you have an emissions test coming up. So, where do we start looking for this large leak? Let's start with the absolute easiest and most common culprit, the gas cap. I know, it sounds too simple. You would be shocked how often a loose, damaged, or incorrect gas cap is the cause of a P0455 code. The first thing you should do is check your gas cap. Is it tightened all the way? You should hear a few clicks when you tighten it. If it is tight, take it off and inspect it. Look at the rubber seal or O-ring. Is it cracked, brittle, or missing? If it looks worn out, a new gas cap is a very inexpensive first step in troubleshooting. Make sure you get the correct one for your specific make and model. A universal cap might not seal properly. If a new gas cap doesn't solve the problem, it's time to dig a little deeper. The next things to check are the EVAP hoses. These are rubber or plastic lines that run from your fuel tank to the engine bay, or sentee. Over time, they can become brittle, crack, or get disconnected. Pop the hood and visually trace the hoses coming from the charcoal canister and the purge valve. Look for any obvious signs of damage, cracks, or loose connections. Pay close attention to any elbows or T-fittings, as these are common failure points. You might need to get under the car to inspect the hoses near the fuel tank as well. If you see a cracked hose, that's likely your large leak. If the hoses look good, our next suspect is the EVAP canister purge valve, also known as the purge solenoid. This valve controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine. It's supposed to be closed when the engine is off. If it gets stuck open, it creates a large leak in the system. A two's, usually located in the engine bay, connected to the intake manifold by a vacuum hose. A common way to test it is to try and blow through it when it's disconnected and the car is off. If you can blow through it, it's stuck open and needs to be replaced. Another component is the vent solenoid, too, which is usually located near the charcoal canister by the fuel tank. It can also get stuck open or closed, causing issues. For those of you who want to be absolutely sure where the leak is, the professional method is to use a smoke machine. This machine pumps a harmless, visible smoke into the EVAP system. Wherever the smoke comes out, that's where your leak is. 2. It's the fastest and most accurate way to find leaks in cracked hoses, a faulty canister, or a bad seal. You can sometimes rent these tools, or you can even build a DIY version. But for most people, this is when you might consider taking it to a trusted mechanic. They can pinpoint the leak quickly and save you from replacing parts that aren't broken. So, to recap for P0455, start with the gas cap. Then, inspect all your EVAP hoses for cracks, and then consider testing the purge and vent valves. It's a process of elimination, but with a little patience, you can often solve this one yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips. See you next time.